Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in the general list we have to scroll in order to find either the Google or passwords and accounts. It's basically up to you. I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got our previously added Google account. So let me add another one. Let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and then tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Okay, I don't want to save my password, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course you can always remove it, simply tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again and it will immediately disappear. Sometimes you will have to confirm everything with your screen, but no worries. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.